Frank from Big Enterprises here today with another product review. So you go a little above and beyond at Amazon. They actually thank you with more than verbal thank yous. And they actually sent me this. Ordered this or selected it about 5 p.m. They said 7 to 14 days. It was here the next day when I got home from work at like noon, which is insane. So these are going to be the Boltune headphones. So I did open them just to charge them up to make sure that I can actually do a video on it without having to stop and charge things. But I tried to repackage it kind of how it was. So of course it's from Amazon, shockingly enough. Let's see. So when you first open it, this is the packaging here that they use. Sorry if the audio is a little messed up, I haven't got the microphone working properly yet. Open it up like that. So they give you the USB Type-C charge cable where you charge the case and the headphones just go in the case. The extra little earbud tips here. I mean, I probably have 30-something pairs of those upstairs, but it's always nice to have extras. Never know. So it comes with, of course, a quick start guide and a user guide. It's like the long, elaborate version and the really short version about only the things you would care about. So it tells you, how to charge them, how to put them in your ear, and how to connect it to your phone. So we'll figure that out together in a minute. So let's take a look at the actual headphones because they are pretty nice looking. Oh, and they also give you extended warranty. You should probably do that from 12 months to 30 months, so that's a pretty good deal. So I'm going to go ahead, you open this, take this thing out of here, kind of feed the case through the top of the packaging, and there it is. It looks very nice, very sleek. As you can see, these 4 things here are actually a charge level. Like I said, I wanted to make sure it's charged, and as you can see just by opening and closing the case, it is. Or they are, whichever. So go ahead and open it up, and this is what you get. These look pretty nice. They're fancy looking. And see, as soon as you take it out, there's this blue light here, so that means it's probably looking to pair ready. And I need to go get my other phone because I just realized I can't connect it to the phone I'm filming with. So this is actually the old phone I had, the Lenovo P2. As you can see, the screen protector is virtually non-existent. So what I'm going to do is enter my password off screen. Now this here should be the same on almost all phones. Let's see. Swipe from the top. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay, then I'm going to hold it down. Hit pair new device. So while it's searching, take the headphone up and out. And right off the bat, right there. So put it in my ear. And it says connected. It's literally that easy to connect them. And supposedly, let's test it. Because if I put this back in here, let's test it. Turn off Bluetooth, turn it on. Okay, what is it connected to? Let's see. So right now it's not connected to anything. So theoretically though, when I open this here and take one of these out, or even just opening it, it goes ahead and says it's connecting and active. So it connects to the most recently paired device, which is convenient, especially if you use 2 or 3 devices and, you're out, I don't know, maybe it's convenient for you. It's a good option. So I'm going to go ahead and test the quality of these. Now, unfortunately, I can't really let you hear the quality and hear what I hear with these because it's just impossible. But I'm going to go ahead and let me just pop them in my ears and see what happens. So let me go to YouTube. Oh, that's right, this phone doesn't have Google, so go to DuckDuckGo. And let's try it with, let's do something with a lot of bass. Let's do Lemonade by Gucci Man. Why not? Okay, so theoretically it should play in a minute. Oh, wow. So it's definitely loud enough, that's for sure. Wow. Let's see. I mean, it's pretty good quality, but let it go in to really hear that bass. I mean, like this here, I can't really hear anything else, so it's almost like noise canceling. Wow. I can tell you right now, I'm definitely satisfied with these right off the bat. I mean, the bass in these things here is pretty good. I mean, it's good quality audio, and to get something like this for just going above and beyond like I would anyways, you know, I'd probably, if I was looking for another pair of headphones, I'd probably end up buying something like these. It was between these and those tech pods, or whatever they call them, that everybody else seems to have. So this is something a little bit different. It's black instead of white, so, or silver or gray or whatever color you want to call that. So this here also lasts longer than those do, supposedly, and I don't know. Okay, so of course now I have to, I mean, I did a little bit of rap, but gotta try some rock too. Five Finger Death Punch. Of course, YouTube is all in Polish for me, so let's do... that's the good thing about DuckDuckGo too, or the bangs, the shortcuts, so... Wow, that sounds really good quality. Oh. I mean, I don't think you can hear it. I'm trying to hold the headphone here near it, but, yeah, I wish you could actually hear the quality of this. It would actually make this review a lot better and actually worth watching. But, also these here are buttons on the sides. I'm not really sure offhand what they do. I'm assuming it's to call. Oh, well that... Oh, it goes to the next track if you either hold it down or just click it. Hey, that's kind of nice, actually. That's very convenient, so I don't have to take the phone out of my pocket to switch songs. I just hold down these buttons, go back and forth. So, hey, it's another additional feature that's pretty cool. Overall, I mean, I'll continue to use them, and I don't really use those headphones for phone calls or anything, but I imagine the quality would be still pretty good. If the quality of the music's that good, I mean, phone calls should be nothing. So these are, once again, the Boltune. There's the model number. So overall, I'd say these are pretty good. I think I'll be using them quite a bit. Obviously, you can't use them on the floor at work. Do not do that. Amazon will yell at you. But overall, good product. I could use it when I'm walking around and doing stuff, maybe even working on computers. So, thanks for watching.